Welcome to today's episode on growth mindset. A student with a fixed mindset sees problems and challenges as a reason why something can't be done. They give up easily. Students with a fixed mindset avoid challenges, do not listen to feedback, and can sometimes be a negative and disruptive force. They believe that people naturally have skills and intelligence and that these cannot be developed, that you either have it or you don't. They think that you don't have any control over your learning and are not the master of your own learning destiny. This is not true. Our brains are able to grow. They can learn new things and they can develop new skills. However, in order to do this, the brain must be challenged. Without challenges, it will simply waste away, never reaching its true potential. A student with a growth mindset sees problems and challenges as an opportunity to learn something new. They work hard to solve problems and overcome setbacks. They believe that you can develop new skills and intelligences. They see opportunities to learn everywhere around them. When you have a growth mindset, obstacles do not stop you. You put the effort in to overcome them. You do not care what people say or think about you because you enjoy the challenge and know that you will eventually succeed. People with a growth mindset see learning as a journey, not just destination. They take the time to learn the correct way, use the correct strategies, and do not look for shortcuts. These type of learners have a clear learning plan which enables them to achieve their goals. They carefully monitor their progress throughout their journey, and if anything goes wrong, they fix it and learn from their mistakes. They take the time to develop new skills and learning strategies along the way and know when it is the right time to use them. This is not a natural ability, it is a learned one. Students with a growth mindset believe that mistakes are an essential part of the learning process and that mistakes make them more knowledgeable about the topics they are studying. They carefully observe others and learn from their mistakes. They actively seek feedback and view it as a help rather than a criticism. How you view any situation will make a huge difference to your mindset. Our top tip is to listen carefully to your thoughts and control them. Do not let your fixed mindset control you or your actions. Do not listen to the negative thoughts that are in your head. Shut them down. Encourage your growth mindset thoughts. Think positively and take action on these positive thoughts. Remember, there is no limit to what you can achieve when you adopt a growth mindset. Make the effort, take up the challenge, don't be afraid to make mistakes, accept feedback, and above all, believe in yourself. Thank you for joining us for this episode on growth mindset. If you enjoyed what you saw, please like, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification.